Hi everyone, it's Christiane, a Thermomix USA consultant, and for today's Thermomix Back to Basics class, I'll be showing you how to make boiled eggs. For step one, the first thing you want to do is add 2 cups of water into the Thermomix mixing bowl. Next, you'll place 4 eggs into the simmering basket. Go ahead and close the basket and place it into the Thermomix mixing bowl. Then you'll want to go ahead and put the lid with the measuring cup inside on top of the mixing bowl. So how you like your hard-boiled eggs is really up to you. There's a range of cooking time between 10 minutes and 14 minutes. So of course, if you go to 10 minutes, that's going to give you a really soft, almost runny egg that's just barely cooked. And if you go all the way to 14 minutes, you'll have a really firm hard-boiled egg. So go ahead and select which time that you'd like. I like mine somewhere in the middle, so I'm going to put mine at 12 minutes. And turn that temperature all the way up to the highest setting, which is Varoma. And speed is going to be set to speed 1. Our boiled eggs are finished, so go ahead and take off the lid of the mixing bowl. And you'll want to use this spatula. It's a special one made for the Thermomix steaming basket so that you can remove the basket without burning yourself. So I have my spatula latched onto the steaming basket. I'm going to carefully pull it out and remove it and set it aside. And that's how you make boiled eggs easily in your Thermomix. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message.